Welcome to Toki Wellbeing. This video is about affirmations. What are affirmations? Why affirmations are good for you? And how to use affirmations to improve your well-being, self-esteem, and open up to self-love. Affirmations are statements that you use repeatedly to introduce constructive beliefs and values into your conscious and subconscious mind. Big part of our reactions, actions, and what we attract are shaped by those subconscious ideas that we have about ourselves, others, and life. That is why planting seeds of positive ideas into your subconscious mind can transform you and your life. You will benefit from affirmations if you listen to them, think, or say them regularly. The easiest way is to simply listen to positive affirmations while they play on the background. It will be effective even if you're busy doing other things, for example, going through your morning routine. Even if you're not concentrating on affirmations, your subconscious mind is listening, and over time, you will notice a shift in your perceptions, thoughts, emotions, and even your habits. You can also choose to listen to affirmations mindfully, aligning with high vibrations of the statements. It simply means to feel the emotions that these statements represent to you. If you can't resonate with the affirmations at the moment, maybe feeling down or stressed, you can use the following technique. Relax and imagine how it would feel to live those statements. You can also remember the times when you felt similar emotions in the past. In any case, just allow those high vibration feelings stay in your inner space for a while. There is also another way to work with affirmations. This one is highly transformative and it requires you to be fully present. You can use it when you notice strong resistance to the statements. It might come as an inner critic rejecting the ideas or arguing with them. In this case, don't fight against your inner critic. Recognize what's happening for what it is, a limiting belief coming through. Another form of resistance to affirmations is experiencing heavy or unpleasant emotions. If it happens, don't try to fight it or think about it. Allow these emotions arise and witness them for a while without judgment. If you don't feed these heavy emotions with negative thoughts, you will notice how they gradually dissolve in your awareness. It is a highly transformative practice. If you never tried affirmations before, I recommend to start with passive listening. Do it daily, and over time you will be happy with your transformation.